Dr. Alfred Mutua, the Cabinet Secretary for Foreign Affairs in Kenya, has taken proactive measures by reaching out to Sergey Lavrov, his Russian counterpart, in response to alarming reports regarding the Wagner Group. The Wagner Group is a paramilitary organization known for its involvement in Moscow's war on Ukraine, but recent developments suggest a rebellion within their ranks against the Russian government. In a statement shared on Twitter, Dr. Mutua highlighted his conversation with Sergey Lavrov, during which the Russian foreign minister refuted the reports and assured that the Kremlin had the situation under control. Dr. Mutua conveyed his concerns to Lavrov while expressing the desire for a peaceful resolution. According to CNN, Yevgeny Prigozhin, the leader of Wagner, has gotten into conflict with Moscow's security establishment during a time when they were working together in the invasion of Ukraine. This has led to a series of unexpected military actions by Wagner, plunging the country into a state of crisis. Wagner has reportedly seized control of military facilities in 2 Russian cities, and Prigozhin has issued warnings of his troops advancing towards Moscow. The developments surrounding the Wagner Group rebellion are raising serious concerns both within Russia and internationally. Dr. Mutua's outreach to Lavrov demonstrates the Kenyan government's commitment to staying informed and engaged with the evolving situation. By proactively expressing his concerns and seeking updates from Lavrov, Dr. Mutua aims to provide updates to Kenyans in Russia who might have safety concerns. The situation remains fluid and continues to be closely monitored by the international community. As tensions rise and the Wagner Group's actions challenge the authority of the Russian government, it becomes crucial for diplomatic channels to remain open and for countries like Kenya to express their concerns and desire for stability. Efforts to de-escalate the crisis and find a peaceful resolution are of paramount importance to avoid further instability in the region. The coming days will shed more light on the intentions and actions of the Wagner Group, as well as the responses from the Russian government. The hope is that through dialogue and negotiations, a peaceful resolution can be reached, bringing stability back to the affected regions and preventing further disruption to global peace. To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Kenyan News channel.